Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to adjust screen brightness or enable auto brightness in Vivo Y200. If you're using Vivo Y200 and if you want to enable screen auto brightness or adjust your screen brightness, so let's see how can you do this. You have two different ways. The first way is that you have to scroll down in control panel and you will get the brightness controller. You have to press and hold and move to control your screen brightness. And if you want to enable auto brightness, hit the auto brightness option, just tap on it and it will be enabled or disabled. You can easily do this from here. The second way is that you have to open your phone settings app and then you'll get display and brightness option here. Tap on it and here you will get the brightness controller. Just press and hold and move it to control your screen brightness. If you want to enable auto brightness, hit the auto brightness, just tap on it to enable, or tap on it again to disable auto brightness in your phone. So that's how you can easily adjust screen brightness or enable auto brightness in Vivo Y200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.